Hello, Namaste, welcome to Sayam Yoga. I am Anmol and today, in the day 6, we are going to do a Surya Namaskar. If I have to say one thing, one asana or one flow that can help you in maximum of your problems, maximum of your health related issues, I will choose Surya Namaskar. Why? The reason being the same 12 steps that you have to repeat it continuously. So it is a little bit easier, not though very much, but yes, it is achievable. Secondly, it works on the full body. So even if you are doing some asana and then you're missing some asana, if you're not able to pull and stretch or strengthen your body, flexibility, mobility, it covers everything of it. So that is the best part of doing Surya Namaskar. Third thing is it is so much related to your nadi. So it is not just the physical thing that you are moving, but also you're working on each breath. So each asana is associated with the inhale, with the exhale, with the breathing pattern, and that's how you're working on the nadis. Practice it, experience it, and feel the change in our own self. So to practice today, what I'm going to do is we are going to do Surya Namaskar for 30 minutes and trying to achieve 51 rounds of Surya Namaskar. Alright, we will be moving with the breath, not too fast, not too quick, but we'll go with the flow, we'll go as the body allows, and in between, if you feel that this is too many for you and you're not able to do, you can anytime pause the button, take the breather, prepare yourself, and get back continue. It is not necessary that you have to do it in the one go, but those who have practicing yoga from a past few months and they are ready for a continuous flow, they can go ahead, give the challenge to yourself and come to the mat. Coming to the mat, inhale and exhale. Keeping the legs gently a hip width apart. Inhale and exhale. The first round I'll be going to do a little slower to let you know and explain, and then gradually we'll keep on increasing the speed. So from the center, bring your both the palms to the heart center, pressing the hands together in the prayer pose. Take a long inhale and a long exhale here. Now prepare yourself to inhale and stretch your hands upwards. So keep pressing the hands back. Exhale. 3. Drop the hands down. Next in the 4, take the right leg back. 5. Take the other leg back. 6. Drop the knee, chest and chin down. 7. Go ahead for the cobra. 8. Take your body back, get into the mountain. 9. Bring the right leg forward. 10. Bring the feet together. 11. Stretch your hands back. And 12. Join the palm together. And that's how we finished round 1. We are going to repeat this continuously for the 50 more rounds. Round 3. Round 4. Round 5. Round 6. Round 7. Round 8. Round 9. Round 10. Round 11. Round 12. Round 13. Round 14. Round 15. Round 16. Round 17. Round 18. Round 19. Round 20. Round 21. Round 22. Round 23. Round 24. Round 25. Round 26. Round 27. Round 28. Round 29. Round 30. Round 31. Round 32. Round 33. Round 34. Round 35. Round 36. Round 37. Round 38. Round 39. Round 40. Round 41. Round 42. Round 43. Round 44. Round 45. Round 46. Round 47. Round 48. Round 49. Round 50. Last round 51. Just lay down onto the mat in the Shavasana. Totally surrender your body. Release, relax, work on your breath. Slowly try to slow down the fast breathing. Gently turn to the side, come back and feel the mat getting with the sweat. The body posture is there and feel grateful for all the sweat that has happened, for all the energy that you have felt in your body. Be grateful for everything and let me know in the comments how many rounds you were able to practice and go in one breath, or how many breaths you're able to finish. Whatever be your experience, do share it in the comment box, and do like, share, subscribe, and join the Sanyam Yoga community if you want to know about the private yoga sessions, group yoga sessions, and the workshops that is happening under the Sanyam Yoga community. Give a WhatsApp message to this number and we would love to take you and make you be part of Sanyam Yoga. I will see you in tomorrow with the new practice for a 30 minutes. Till then, have fun, enjoy, and bye-bye. Take care.